So the question is, how do I send automatic emails from projects when I change the status or make a change? I'm going to show you how you can do that. And so we're in Autotask right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Admin and then Workflow Rules. Now I already have the initial rules set up here, but I'm just kind of getting you where you need to be. You need to go to Projects since that's what we're dealing with. And then you need to click New. And once there, you're going to create a new workflow rule. Notice I named it Email Customer when Autotask Project is closed. And you can choose a task or project. We're going to choose Project and edit it. Notice, and this is important, that this should be not equal to, it's going to be changed to. So notice we're going to say Status, Change to, Complete. If we just put equal to, that means every time you made any edit whatsoever to this project, it would keep sending notifications so long as the status was complete. That could be really bad if you have any type of automation. The customer could get a ton of emails in a very short amount of time. That's why the change to is so important. Now, since we're sending an email, we don't need to worry about doing any of these updates. The next thing we need to set is who's going to get these emails. Unlike tickets and tasks, there's no concept of a primary contact on a project. So you have to make a determination how your workflows will work inside of your company. It's common to either use the contract notification or the primary account contact. Now here's another tricky one, which is where does the email come from? Notice that in this test tenant, I have it going from the support email address. The struggle here is if they have an out of office or they reply and say, hey, this isn't working for me in terms of the project, it's going to open a new ticket. That may be fine with you because that means your triage or your help desk would notify the project manager that there was an issue. And that may be fine, but just be aware what's happening here. You can override that in the template. For example, you could say no dash reply at yourcompany.com. So that is possible. So you may want to dig into that. Last thing I want to show you here, and let's see if I can move this widget. But the last thing I want to show you is I always add a note with the content of any automated email to the ticket, the task, or the project. It really just helps you see what emails have gone out to the client, when they've gone out to them, and the content, particularly if there's some type of dispute. So at this point, if we click Save and Close, we would be good to go. Again, remembering that the most important thing you want to do is make sure you have a change to here. That ensures that this workflow only triggers when the project is transitioning from one state to the next, not just that it's inside of that state when a change is made. Click Save and Close, and that will be it. I hope that was helpful for you.